All right, what's going on, y'all? We're going to learn how to evaluate logarithms. So let me just first give you some easy lemon squeezy steps. So first step is we're going to set the logarithm equal to x. Step 2, we are going to change it to we're going to change it to be an exponential. Then lastly, you're going to solve for x. So we're going to see what that means right here. All right, so if you're following along with me, our first step, let's do this first question here. Log base of 2 of 8. So first thing we're going to do is set this equal to x. So let's go ahead and do that. It's equal to x. And now we are going to change it into exponential form. So 2 is our base, x is our exponent, and this is going to be equal to 8. So now we want to solve this exponential equation. So we are going to have to get 8 to have we're going to have to get it in terms of 2. So we know that 8 is 2 cubed. So our bases are the same, so we can say x is equal to 3. So this whole thing is equal to 3. So we have another example here. Log base of 7 is equal to 1 over 49. First step, set it equal to x. Second step, change it into an exponential. So we have 7 to the x is equal to 1 over 49. So we got to get 1 over 49 in terms of 7. So we have 7 to the x. And then this is going to be 7 to the negative 2 power. Our bases are the same, so we can say x is equal to negative 2. So this whole thing is equal to negative 2. And lastly, we have log base of 1/3 is equal to of 1/9. So like always, set it equal to x. Change to exponential form. So 1/3 to the x power equals 1/9. So there's a couple ways you could do this. You could just see for yourself that if I square this, then I'm going to get 1/9. You could also change it to be in terms of 3. So for example, I could say this 1/3 is 3 to the negative 1 to the x. And then this one over here, 1/9 is 3 to the negative 2. And now since my bases are the same, I can set my exponents equal to each other. So we have negative x equals negative 2. Divide or multiply by negative 1, and you get x is equal to 2. So this is equal to 2. All right, so you might be asking, well, what if it doesn't divide so easily? Then we have to do some more trickery. So let's go ahead and try this for size. Same 3 steps. So go ahead and set this equal to x. Change it to exponential form. So we have 2/3 to the x power is equal to 27 over 8. So how can I get 27 over 8 in terms of 2/3? Well, we know that 8 is 2 cubed and 27 is 3 cubed. So we could say that this is 3 over 2 to the 3rd power. And if you want to, get this to be 2 over 3, we can raise it to the negative 1 power. So this is 2/3 to the negative 3. So now our bases are the same, so we can say x is equal to negative 3. So we just box negative 3. All right, last example. We have log base of 8 of 32. First step, set it equal to x, and then change it to exponential. We have 8 to the x is equal to 32. So now the thing is here, we're going to go ahead and change both of these to be a base of 2. So 8 is 2 cubed. And then 32 is 2 to the 5th. So now we have to multiply these. So it's 2 to the 3x equals 2 to the 5th. So since our bases are the same, we can set our exponents equal to each other and divide by 3. We get x is equal to 5/3. So just follow those 3 steps, y'all should be good.